Thank you all for the attention you've been giving my presentation on my roundout report. To get started here, my main objective here was to make it, one, visually appealing for producers, two, time effective, so they're not spending that much time on these roundout reports, and thirdly, see what opportunities there are if there are any. To get started, what the producer would do is copy this Excel sheet that gets sent out by sales leaders every quarter, that gets downloaded from Epic to see the current lines of coverage that they sell in the fleets that they work with. What they would do is paste it to the new Excel sheet that I have been working on by pasting only the values. The thing that the producers would have to do is type in if they're mainly owned, if they're leased, or in this case, if they're a combination of both. If they're a combination of both, it's going to play a factor, allowing producers to see how many lines of coverage they can or cannot sell. In this opportunities page, to get started, we were able to find national averages. So we could see what opportunities there are by multiplying the power units times the national average. And the way we found that, Alex Renicky and myself were able to find it by getting the total revenue per line of coverage, dividing it by the power units that we have on files. We weren't able to find some of them, such as commercial auto, excess package, cyber. So in the future, I would love to team up with a couple folks in the office to find out these numbers to make it more accurate when it comes to using these roundout reports. To get started here, green is once we type it into this roundout report on the bottom left-hand side, this opportunities page would automatically get generated depending on what is on that roundout report, the first sheet. So given that it's blank, it allows us to see that we currently write that line of coverage. If it's green, it means that there is an opportunity. In this case, for a company B, C, and D, for the owner-operator lines, we'll be able to see what opportunities there are. And because the rest of them are zero, that allows us to see that there isn't an opportunity because they don't have owner-operators. The national averages are at the bottom, so producers could fiddle with this if we get more accurate numbers. And if the power units change, what the producer would have to do is just go back in here and type in maybe company N and company M got one owner operator. This would automatically change on its own, allowing producers to see what current line of coverage that there are. So to summarize this, it's making it visually appealing for producers, being time effective, because what they would do is just paste it into the new Excel sheet and it would generate the automatic revenue that they could make. And two, allowing us to see if it's green, there is an opportunity. If it's blank, there's no opportunity. And if it's zero, that there is no opportunity right now because we don't have the national averages. For cyber, there is a flat rate, so we're still figuring that out. In addition, fees could vary, so the producer could type in those. And then on the bottom right-hand corner, it's going to show the total opportunity by revenue and total commission that producer can make if they were to sell the line of coverage. All of these blanks, all they're saying is that we can gain more clients, lose more clients. We can make this longer, shorter, however the producer would like. Given this, I've been very grateful by the way it turned out, very happy. And what the way that this could work is producers could go to this roundout report before they meet their clients, follow up with their clients to see if they want to round out their account by adding more lines of coverage. And it would allow producers to go to the meetings for proposals and go to the proposal sheet to talk more about those. So to follow up, we'll go to the next proposal sheet that I've been working on.